purchase book and purchase return books. Is total purchase is 2000. Cash transaction enter नहीं होता, asset transaction भी enter नहीं होता. Dear students, today I will explain the purchase book and purchase return books. Enter the following transaction is purchase book and purchase return books. 1st April 2020, purchased goods from Naveen. Purchased goods from Naveen. Only Naveen, amount entered the 4000 only. The purchase book में purchase return book में only credit transaction enter करना, cash transaction enter नहीं होते, asset transaction भी enter नहीं होते. It is enter the only credit transactions. 4th April 2020, purchased goods from Mallesh 3500. Purchased goods from Mallesh, only you have to enter the Mallesh name, enter करना 3500. April 8, return goods to Naveen. This is a purchase return. A purchase return है Naveen, amount 500. 13th April 2020, sometime it is given the question bought, purchases, goods from Krishna. Bought or purchases both are same. Bought or purchases both are same. Purchase goods from Krishna 7000. Krishna, only name लिखना 7000. Return goods from 16th April 2020, returns goods from Mallesh. This is a purchase return Mallesh 400. In LF number to 400. 22nd April 2020, purchased goods from Raghu. Raghu, purchased goods from Raghu, amount of 5000. 23rd April 2020, purchased machinery from Mohan. Purchased machinery from Mohan. This transaction is a asset transaction. It is not enter the purchase book and purchase return book. ये asset transaction है, purchase book में नहीं आता, purchase return book में भी नहीं आता. कौन सा आता? Only credit transaction, goods का credit transaction ही enter होता. Purchase machinery asset transaction, cash transaction is not enter in this one. Asset transaction enter नहीं होता, cash transaction भी enter नहीं होता. Next, 24 April 2020, purchase goods from Satyam on cash. It is given the name Satyam on cash. Cash भी दिए, name भी दिए. You have to consider only cash. This transaction is a cash transaction. एक transaction cash transaction का है, इसमें नहीं आता. 25 April 2020, purchase goods from Mahesh on credit. Mahesh on credit. Credit transaction enter करते हैं ना, so that's why Mahesh 500. The total amount is total purchase is 2000. Sorry, in this one. Sorry, in this one total amount 20,000. This is a purchase book. Purchase return book total amount 900. 500 plus 400, 900. ए परचेज बुक में परचेज रिटर्न बुक में कैश ट्रांजैक्शन एंटर नहीं होता, एसेट ट्रांजैक्शन भी एंटर नहीं होता. कौन सा एंटर होता? क्रेडिट ट्रांजैक्शन का, गुड्स का परचेज ही आता, रिमेनिंग एंटर नहीं होता. थैंक यू. पीडीएफ डिस्क्रिप्शन में है, चेक करो. प्लीज इन्फॉर्म योर फ्रेंड्स, योर रिलेटिव्स एंड योर व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स.